Today we're unboxing the IKAWA Pro100x Sample Roaster. IKAWA Sample Roasters are an industry-standard tool. They are made in London and used in over 100 countries over 1 million times each year. IKAWA's advanced technology makes roasting quick and easy, and it does it with industry-leading consistency. Each IKAWA Pro Roaster ships in this custom Peli travel case that allows professionals to take it with them wherever they go. This is carry-on approved and makes it simple to take anywhere, from the home to the office to the coffee farm. Inside the case is the user manual and welcome letter. This is the power cord and driver for cleaning the humidity spigot, where the Pro100x measures the change in moisture during the roast. Next is the collection jar, microfiber cloth, and felt donut, which is used for cleaning the roast chamber. And this is the doser for the roaster, made of cast stainless steel. These are the cupping cards, which you can use to label your roasted samples. And finally, the sample roaster, an all-metal commercial machine designed for long days of professional use. It's easy enough for a beginner to use, but robust and customizable enough for the world's most advanced coffee businesses. To start roasting, first put in the doser. Next, plug in the roaster and switch it on. To start a roast, press the top button and preheat begins. The IKAWA Pro app is included for free, and this is where you can edit profiles, see the live readout from the roaster, and store all your roast profiles, roast logs, and more. The roaster is ready to roast. Add your green coffee, twist the doser, and the roasting begins. Happy roasting!